Hello friends, today on this video I'm going to show you how to on auto rotate screen on OPPO A54. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, you need to move on setting. From here you can scroll down to display and brightness. So click on display and brightness. After that, what you need to do is that you are going to find the auto rotate. So if you want to on auto rotate, you just need to click on this icon, okay, like this, and here the auto rotate screen will be set on, okay. And if you want to off, you can off by clicking on this icon only. It will be set off, okay. If you off, it will be on the left side, and if you on, it will be on the right side as now, okay. You can off and on. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.